ladies and gentlemen, and the children here. It's in fact a pleasure making Hyderabad as host to the International Children's Film Festival. And I think we are trying to make a permanent infrastructure for the International Film Festival in Hyderabad, so that every festival is conducted in Hyderabad. We have already given the land and the infrastructure will be taken up very soon. I think that today is a very special day for all the children, where we remember Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru was our first Prime Minister. I think the words of the first Prime Minister, especially towards education, we have to remember it today. He said, when a man is educated, an individual is educated. When a woman is educated, the whole family is educated. It's very important that the difference between education levels and between boys and girls should not be there. We should see that the 100% of the children should go to school, and we should make it a curriculum for all families to see that education is a compulsory subject, and from the government we can do whatever best we can. But without the cooperation of the families, it is very difficult for the government to go ahead. I think here you are having a fantastic festival here for 7 days with so many films, participating nearly 900 films from 72 countries. I think the children of Hyderabad are blessed to be a part of this and watch all these films. You are going to have an interaction between different cultures, the way that these children or families live, and the way these films are directed. I think film field as such is going through a very, very difficult time throughout the country because of its competition with TV, its competition with itself, the piracy, and with competition from other fields. I think it is all the more important that film making on children, we should government, both the state government and central government, we should fund it more and see that more films are made on children so that they are an example for their life, and it should show a clear direction. And here we have got a young star who I think he's a star in his own right. We require models in this country to be emulated so that we are here in the country. More than 54% of our population is below the age of 25. Unless we put our youngsters to optimum use and optimum education, you have to develop our human resources in the right direction. And I think I have to quote a quotation of Mr. Obama when he said, the children of India and China are very hardworking and intelligent. If you Americans do not work hard, you will not be able to compete with children of India. That is the type of confidence our children have throughout the world. I think I wish you all the best. This is the country where there are no limitations for you. A field, when we were young, we have not seen TV. When we were young, there were no cell phone. When we were young, there was no phone also in most of the villages. Today things have changed. Internet has come in. Information is at your fingertips. The whole world has become a global village. We have got a company which is checking the engines of the Boeings in the air, flying in US or flying in America, monitoring it from Hyderabad. You saw the Mangalyaan taking off from Andhra Pradesh. You saw the Chandrayaan taking off from Andhra Pradesh. Knowledge is at your fingertips. You have to work hard to be the best. We are the best and you are the best. You are going to put the country on the top. All the best for all the children. Have a good stay in Hyderabad. And for all the international guests here who have come for the first time, I welcome you once more. Please don't miss out the cuisine here. It's very good. Lot of mementos in way of pearls can be taken from here. This is the city of pearls. All the best and best of luck. I hope all the children watch the movies and have a good time. And I assure you that by the next international festival, we will try to give your infrastructure which is due from the government. Thank you very much.